Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your video recommendation. First thing first, launch your application and simply get logged into your Facebook account. You'll see a page like this after you tap onto your profile. So select the gear icon on your top. In here you'll have to go for activity log. You might see it under your activity. So go for activity log and expand logged information. As you do that, you will see search, select manage search. You will see all the person or the groups you have searched for. Select filters, select categories and make sure this is set to all, your search history. And likewise, you have to simply clear all the searches. So select clear searches and you have to go ahead and do the same for your other searches as well. Once you're done, it will reset your video recommendation. This is how it's done.